Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on ZTE Blade V70 Max. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now go to settings, then click on Google Assistant, and then click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. Now let's go back and click on voice match. Then click here to enable your Hey Google feature, and now click on more and I agree, then click on more and I agree again, and click next. Then click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay, let me try that again. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back and go back again. Then click on Gemini, and now you have to scroll down and click continue, and scroll down again and click use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.